Meron siyang provision kasi extractor siya. So, pwede mo i-connect to your power tool machines or devices. Like for example, table saw, sander. That was my impression of this vacuum cleaner. I thought it can be connected to power tools, but I was wrong. Not only that, I was deceived, I became a victim of Budol, a real crime of Budol on Lazada. Stay until the end of this video as I will share to you my experience and a review of this vacuum cleaner. Please support the channel by subscribing and don't forget to click that notification bell. Just like the other online buyers, I always read reviews about an item being sold to be aware of any issues or if the product being sold is worth buying. In this case, the reviews are positive and early buyers were talking about the vacuum cleaner being attached to their power tools, particularly table saw. This is the particular feature I had been looking for since I was intending to connect the vacuum cleaner to my table saw and other power tools. But when I attempted to connect the vacuum cleaner to the table saw, I was surprised that it is not possible and the hose doesn't fit with the desk ports of the table saw. I was confused and started investigating. I go back to Lazada and check my order page. There I saw that the reviews of the item were not for the actual product I bought. The one in the banner photo, which was the item being sold, is Ingco vacuum cleaner model VC13301, while the reviews of the product were for model VC13401, which is the one capable of connecting to power tools. I complained to the seller and to Lazada. The seller confirmed that the reviews were for the old model and I bought the new one, the VC13301. So I told the seller that they shouldn't use the reviews because those were for another item. I filed a return and refund claim, but the seller rejected my claim since I received the right item as shown on the page. I pointed out to Lazada that this is not a case of wrong item, but a marketing deception, aka Budol, as in real Budol. Since I could no longer return the item, I decided to use it and I asked Lazada to impose sanction against the seller. Otherwise, I will stop buying from the platform and go instead to the rivals. Nevertheless, I used the vacuum cleaner and I am sharing to you how this device works. So, this is my second Ingco power tool. And you have the warranty card. It's open. Oh! Meron siyang freebie na 24 pieces socket and bits. Okay. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Magaan na siya actually. It's a hose actually. So i-connect mo to siya. Yung flexible hose niya. There's no markings. I cannot read. Ano ba to siya? I'll find out later. Then, ito na yung pwede na sa sahig. So, sa floor mo. Here's the manual. Don't forget to read the manual later. Meron siyang wheels. So, i-connect mo yung itong wheels nito. And yung crevice attachments niya. What is this? Hindi ko pa alam. And handle. And this is stainless steel.
ito naman siya. This is the foam filter. This is intended for wet vacuuming. So, ilagay mo dito sa filter cage niya. Ito yung filter cage. Ito siya. So, ilagay mo dito. Kailangan meron siyang foam filter when you use this vacuum cleaner for wet extraction. So, ito siya. Suot mo lang. Okay. Hanggang dito. So, okay na siya. So, meron na siyang sinina. Wala na siyang dali. Okay. On the other hand, ito naman pala ay ang tinatawag na filter bag or the dirt bag. So, tanggalin natin ito. So, parang ganito siya ang itsura. Lagay mo dito siya. Itong suction hole niya. Yung suction hole dito siya. Okay? So, lagay mo dito para yung dust, dito lang ito. May cardboard siya. Ito yung guide mo para just press the cardboard towards the suction hole para mag-scotch siya. Yun lang. Then, ito na siya. Symbol ko na. Ito na yung suction hose niya. Nakalagay dito sa suction hole. And pinakita ko kanina, behind the suction hole is yung dirt bag nakalagay. Yung dirt bag is made of paper. So kung gagamitin mo to siya for wet vacuuming, kailangan tanggalin mo yung dirt bag. Otherwise, masisira yung dirt bag kasi papel lang yun eh. So, try lang natin yung dry vacuuming. So, ito ang position for dry vacuuming. Dito rin yung suction pipe niya. May naglagyan siya dito. At saka itong crevice nozzle dito rin. May lalagyan. May extra pa dito na lalagyan. Then, ito naman yung combination nozzle para sa sahig to for floor. Then, may brush siya. We just press this one at lalabas yung brush niya. Ito yung brush niya, kung makikita nyo. So, ito yung brush. Kung press this one, matatago yan. See? Then, malabas mo yan siya. Pareho din yung ito ng ordinary na mga vacuum cleaner. Okay? So, pwede ganun. So, try natin. I-on natin. Ano ang performance niya. Remember, this is a 1,300 watts device. Ito yung input power niya. Then, this is capable of 30 liters because yung capacity natin is 30 liters. Pero yung siguro yung 30 liters is for the wet vacuuming. Kasi, yun ang paglalagyan ng tubig kung sakali mag-wet vacuuming ka. So, that's 30 liters. Pero yung dust bag niya, nakita niyo yung papel kanina, yun lang, no? Ang lalagyan niya. But sabi dito is 30 liters daw yung dust bag. But anyway, then this, nakalagay nga dito, dust capacity is 30 liters. Ang vacuum pressure nito is 16 to 18 kPa. Then yung airflow niya is 1.6 to 1.8 cubic meters per minute yung airflow. Okay? So, try natin. Okay? Now, if you want to use this machine as a blower, pwede siyang pang blower din. Tanggalin mo lang itong nozzle niya dito, yung suction hose. So, then, lagyan mo dito sa kabila. Sa rear side niya, dito yung para sa blower. Okay? Then, please. Now, so blower, it will blow. Tingnan natin. So actually, yung ano dito, yung blower is just a reverse of the suction, okay? Kasi pag on ka dito, at the same time, nagbo-blow siya dito. Parang exit siya ng hangin na. Then sa baba, meron kang makita dito na ano, opening. May nakasara siya. Actually, this is the drain for the liquid. Kung mag-with vacuuming ka, dyan may papalabas yung tubig niya. Okay. So, try natin ilagay ito. Titignan ko kung may diferensya ba sa power, sa suction power. Ilagay ko ulit ito sa cage. Actually, again, this is the foam filter. Gagamitin ito for filtering water. Kung sakali pupuno na yung tubig, abot hanggang dito, hindi agad basta malusutan ng makina ng mga whatever na mga debris or nasa tubig. So at least ma-filter siya nito, itong foam filter. Then dito sa cage, meron siyang floater. Ito, babagsak siya. Narinig nyo? Itong floater, by the time na ang tubig aabot dito, aangat siya. Pag-aangat niya, pagkadating nito, magko-close siya. When it closes the parts here, the motors area, lalakas yung noise ng vacuum cleaner. So, that signals na kailangan mo ng ilabas o i-drain yung tubig na nasa loob ng vacuum cleaner. Okay? So, that's the sign na puno na siya. Try lang natin kung wala bang itong effect during the dry vacuum cleaner. Lagyan natin itong foam filter. Kung wala din, so lagyan natin permanently, no? Kahit mag-dry vacuum cleaning lang tayo. Yung wet vacuuming is hindi naman yun palagi, bihira lang yun. Just that it will happen only kung merong ulan or whatever na nagpa-flooding yung area mo. So, flooded yung area mo, then that's the time you use the wet vacuuming. I think wala kang pagkakaiba. Ganun pa rin. Okay. So, gano'n na. No? Lagyan na rin natin yung foam filter palagi dyan. Wala naman siyang epekto. Hindi naman nakadistract sa performance niya. So, lagyan na natin. So ito yung itsura ng loob pagkatapos natin i-try na maglinis tayo. So yung foam filter, medyo alikabok na siya. Siguro tatanggalin ko na lang para ma-preserve siya. Sakali gagamitin natin for wet. Okay, sayang naman. Okay, tingnan mo, siya. So ito yung itsura ng dirt bag, yung dust bag. So ganun lang parang operation niya. So kung mapupuno na yan, siguro mag-i-expand yung paper bag na yan. Kung mapuno na talaga. And in fairness, medyo malakas talaga siya kahit mga small stones, yung mga pebbles dito sa workshop area ko na hinigop niya lahat. Okay. So nagamit ko na to for several occasions. Now, titingnan natin kung ano na ang itsura sa loob ng kanyang dirt bag. It's just amazing because kung makikita nyo, walang ibang filter ang vacuum cleaner na ito. Wala siyang HEPA. Kung makikita nyo, yung filter cage niya, yun lang ang itsura. So, ang hangin na nagsasak ay galing dyan kasi nandyan yung motor. Ito yung motor niya. Nilagay ko to sa table kaya ganito ang tsura, okay? So, from there, nagsasak yung hangin at dito siya nagsasak outside the dust bag. So, from here, nagsasak siya ng hangin. From here, lulusot siya sa dust bag at papunta dito sa dust hole niya, yung suction hole niya, at saka dito na sa pipe. Yun ang operation nito. So, I find it unique or amazing. Ano to? Kasi, pero, meron siyang mga konting dust here na accumulate sa labas ng dirt bag. Ito yung, I don't know kung bakit lumabas siya. Fit naman ito na nalagay ko sa niya, sa suction hole. Siguro may nakalusot pa rin. So ganito ang itsura. Meron siyang mga konting mga dust dito sa loob. So in short, if you're going to use this for wet vacuuming, ang mangyayari, kailangan tanggalin mo tong dirt bag and you install the foam filter doon sa filter cage para sa wet vacuuming. So ito na siya. Tinanggal ko yung dust bag at saka nilagyan ko na rin ng foam filter ang filter cage. Dito yung motor niya. So, lagay natin dito ulit, balik ang head niya, yung motor. At saka, simulan natin ang wet vacuuming. Mag-experiment tayo. So, we're going to wet vacuum this area. Medyo flooded siya ng konting tubig. But i-try natin yung vacuum cleaner natin. Gumamit ako ng extender. Itong mga pipes. Ginamit ko yung tatlo na extension pipes para mas mahaba yung reach natin. So we'll try now the wet vacuuming. Nawala talaga yung tubig. Let's see. Titingnan natin. You see? Wala na talaga siyang tubig. So, hinigop siya ng vacuum cleaner. So, we'll try. Check sa loob. Open natin. This is to believe eh. Ayun, ang tubig. I-try natin daw to siya sa isang bucket. Titingnan natin yung maraming tubig kung gaano siya kabilis magtanggal. Ito, kita nyo, may bucket siya. So titingnan natin gaano siya kabilis magtanggal ang tubig. So, see? So hinigop. Okay? So wala nang laman. You can use the outlet here sa front niya para pagtanggal sa laman na liquid sa tubig. So pag i-dispose mo to siya, kailangan pwede mo dito buksan or you can also just throw it away by opening the cover. Walang dumadaloy kasi kunti lang naman yung tubig. Try natin ito. I'm sure meron pa itong laman sa loob. Just intake. So, meron pa siyang konti natira. Itapon na natin diretso. Then, may konting dumi natira. May residue. You can just wipe it off. Kailangan dry na dry ang loob nito para hindi masasira yung dirt bag o yung dust bag. At saka ito namang ano niya, foam niya, medyo talaga nabasa siya. Okay. Basa ng konti. Anyway, we can just wash this one and let it dry. So, gagamit na lang tayo ng absorbent paper kasi yung basahan, hindi naman talaga siya nag-absorb. So, ito na lang ang gagamitan. Mas mabilis ito mag-absorb. Or, you can use yung absorbent cloth, yung para pang sasakyan, mag-car washing. Pwede gamitin yun. So it's completely dry already, and I was also removing the debris inside. So pwede natin na ibalik tong bag natin. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang kasi medyo alikabok. May laman na tong ano natin, dirt bag. Then you press again to the suction hole and yun. Good siya. And the motor okay. So, nabalik natin ang dust bag. Okay na siya. Nag-dry na yung loob. So, I have proven that we can really use this vacuum cleaner for wet and dry. The only thing is you have to remember that when you use this vacuum cleaner for wet vacuuming, kailangan tanggalin mo yung dust bag kasi masisira yung dust bag. The seller doesn't say kung saan bibilin itong dust bag ito, but I think meron namang mga legitimate na distributor ng Ingco products. So you can, I think it's available yung dust bag dito. So you can buy from them. Madali lang itapon yung dust na na-collected niya kasi nasa loob siya ng dust bag. You don't have to empty the dust bag because it's so, I think, tedious to do it kasi alikabok ka na sa loob eh. So, di mo kailangan na i-empty yun. Just throw it away. Lagay mo yun sa isang garbage plastic para may tapon mo agad, di ba? No, huwag mo na i-recycle. Tapon mo na agad, then palitan mo ulit ng bagong dust bag. Okay, so that's it. Until the next Ingco products that I am going to review here. Remember, this is the second Ingco product that I had reviewed. The first one was the Ingco rotary hammer or demolition hammer or chipping gun. Check the end card of this video for the link of that particular review of the product. So, daghang salamat. Until the next time, ako si Jun Tariman. Daghang salamat. High-tech tabay.